Welcome back to Research Hub. Researchers, let me ask you something. How many browser tabs do you usually open when you're working on a research paper? Your draft is saved in OneDrive. Your notes are scattered in Notion. Your code lives on GitHub. Your references are stored somewhere else. Before you even begin writing, you're already jumping between platforms. It takes valuable minutes just to get organized. And while switching from tab to tab, your focus slowly fades away. As researchers, we all know how hard it is to regain deep concentration once it's broken. But things are about to get easier. SciSpace has introduced its February 2026 update, designed specifically to simplify a researcher's workflow. This update brings two powerful improvements. First, expanded app integrations that connect your essential tools in one place. Second, a brand new advanced agent skill that supports expert-level tasks like branding, presentation creation, and even website design. Less tab switching, more productivity, more time for real research. Stay tuned with Research Hub for more updates that make your academic journey smarter and faster. If you haven't explored SciSpace yet, it's one of the most powerful platforms available for researchers today. It's not just helpful, it's becoming essential. SciSpace supports you in synthesizing academic literature quickly, turning your data into clean infographics, charts, tables, and detailed diagrams, drafting research proposals, building research models, checking AI-generated content with a detector comparable to Turnitin, and the best part, you get all of this under a single subscription plan. With the latest update, you'll also see expanded integrations. You can now connect SciSpace directly with tools like Zotero, Mendeley, OneDrive, GitHub, and Notion, and Slack integration is coming soon. Once connected to your reference manager or cloud storage, you simply give a command. The platform can pull information directly from your linked library and help you draft research documents based on the materials stored there. Instead of manually searching across platforms, everything works together in one intelligent workspace. After connecting your accounts, the system guides you through a clear and structured integration process. By simply following the step-by-step instructions, you can link your research libraries and other applications without any technical difficulty. For instance, I have already connected my Mendeley account. Now, instead of manually searching through each saved article, I can enter research-focused commands related to my topic, impact of social media on youth, such as compare the research methodologies used in studies about social media and youth behavior. Identify papers in my library that discuss the psychological effects of social media on adolescents. Summarize the articles stored in my social media impact folder. These are only sample prompts. You can customize your queries depending on the type of analysis you want to conduct. When I choose to compare methodologies across the selected papers, the system begins by generating a structured research plan. You can monitor the live progress as it works through each stage. It retrieves relevant documents, downloads the PDFs, extracts the methodology sections, organizes the information, and finally prepares a detailed comparison report. The entire workflow is transparent and sequential, allowing you to view outputs at every step. In my case, the tool scanned my Mendeley library and identified 57 relevant documents connected to the topic. Instead of spending hours reviewing them individually, the platform automatically analyzed and structured the findings for me. This makes the research process faster, more organized, and significantly more efficient, especially when working on broad topics like the impact of social media on youth. Stay connected for more research workflow strategies and practical demonstrations. You're not limited to just one integration. The same process works seamlessly with Zotero, Google Drive, and other connected platforms. For example, if your research materials are stored in Google Drive, you simply select Drive, choose the specific folder, such as Impact of Social Media on Youth, and instruct the system to begin the analysis. The tool will then process each file inside that folder one by one. If there are many documents, you can continue loading the next batch to ensure all relevant studies are included. It systematically reviews every attached file, extracts key sections, and organizes the information according to your request. However, even though the system automates the heavy work, a manual review is still essential. As a responsible researcher, you should always verify whether all relevant studies have been included and check for any missing details. AI speeds up the process, but human judgment ensures accuracy and quality. Once the analysis is complete, the platform generates a comprehensive and well-structured document. For instance, it can prepare a detailed section on research methodologies used in studies examining social media's influence on youth behavior, mental health, and social development. It may also highlight theoretical or sociological perspectives discussed across the selected papers. In the end, what usually takes days of manual reading and comparison can now be organized into a structured analytical report within a much shorter time, while still allowing you to refine and validate the final output. As the analysis progresses, you can clearly see how the system organizes key research elements, such as data sources, materials used, analytical techniques, theoretical frameworks, sample characteristics, and procedural approaches. The platform continues working in the background to build a comprehensive methodology report. Along the way, it generates individual outputs for each paper and finally compiles everything into a single, structured master document. The same workflow applies to any connected application. With a single click on the Connect option, you can integrate your preferred tools and begin advanced analysis, whether it's extracting insights from code stored in GitHub, reviewing notes saved in Notion, or analyzing documents inside Google Drive. Everything can be processed within one unified environment. One of the most powerful additions is the new Skill feature. This feature allows you to automatically create professional presentations for research grants, thesis defenses, or conference talks. For example, you can upload a research paper on impact of social media on youth and simply instruct the system to convert it into a presentation. Once activated, the presentation mode analyzes the uploaded file, identifies core sections, and designs slide content accordingly. You can monitor the slide-by-slide structure in real time. Each slide includes organized text based directly on the content of your document. At the end of the process, you can download the file in Microsoft PowerPoint format and customize it further, adding visuals, refining text, inserting additional data, or adjusting layout elements as needed. What normally takes hours of formatting and structuring can now be completed in minutes. This works not only for research papers, but also for proposals, dissertations, or even early-stage research ideas. If you don't have a complete document, you can simply describe your topic and key points. The system will extract relevant scholarly insights and generate a well-structured, evidence-based presentation draft for you. Beyond presentations, the platform can even design a functional web page. For instance, you could request a website on applications of AI tools in academic research, and the system will automatically generate a structured web page layout without manually activating any special mode. At this stage, you can connect all your integrated apps to ensure that every uploaded document contributes to the final output. Overall, this upgrade transforms your research workflow, making your thinking process clearer, your writing faster, and your productivity more efficient. You can access the platform through the link in the description below and apply the discount code to unlock premium features at a reduced price. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. This is Research Hub, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.